Today, I'll show you how to set up free Cloudflare CDN with Hostinger. Cloudflare CDN helps your website load faster by caching content on Cloudflare's global network. It can also add extra protection, free SSL, and basic security features for your domain. First, log into your Cloudflare account. From the dashboard, click Add a Site. Now enter your domain name, for example, yourdomain.com. Do not include HTTPS, www, or any extra page path. Just enter the main domain. Click Continue. Cloudflare will ask you to choose a plan. Select the free plan, then continue. Next, Cloudflare will scan your existing DNS records. Wait for the scan to finish, then review the records carefully. You should see records like A, C, N, A, M, E, and possibly MX records if you use email. Now open your Hostinger account in another tab. Go to Websites, select your website, then open the hosting or domain settings where your DNS records are shown. Compare the records in Hostinger with the records Cloudflare detected. Make sure the main A record points to the correct Hostinger server IP address. For the root domain, the name is usually @. For the www version, the name is usually www. If any important record is missing in Cloudflare, add it manually before continuing. For website records, keep the cloud icon orange, which means proxied. This allows Cloudflare CDN to work. For email records, such as MX, keep them as DNS-only, because email traffic should not be proxied through Cloudflare. After confirming the DNS records, click Continue. Now Cloudflare will show you two name servers. Copy both Cloudflare name servers. Next, go back to Hostinger. Open the domain management area for your domain. Find the name servers section. Change the name servers from Hostinger's default name servers to the two Cloudflare name servers. Make sure you replace the existing name servers completely, then save the changes. After saving, go back to Cloudflare and click Done or Check Name Servers. Cloudflare may take some time to detect the name server update. In many cases, it works within minutes, but it can sometimes take longer. Once the domain is active in Cloudflare, open SSL/TLS from the left side menu. For most Hostinger websites, choose Full or Full Strict if your Hostinger SSL certificate is active. Now go to Caching, then open Configuration. You can click Purge Cache if you recently updated your website. Finally, visit your website in a browser and check that it loads correctly with HTTPS and the padlock icon. And that's it. You've successfully set up free Cloudflare CDN with Hostinger. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.